Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Marpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 28 November 2025, Nifty Index opened on a positive note, and right after the opening, it surpassed its previous lifetime high of 26,277 after 289 sessions, marking a peak high of 26,310. After this initial breakout, momentum cooled off slightly as the index witnessed some profit booking from record levels. Despite the intraday dip, the overall sentiment remains quite bullish, holding their ground comfortably. Nifty formed a small bodied candle on the daily frame and continues to create higher highs on smaller time frames, indicating that uptrend is intact. Now, India VIX was down by 1.5% to 11.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.16. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,700 to 26,600 zones, while immediate range could be in between 26,000 to 26,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were sellers to the tune of 1,996 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,552 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 18.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 26,150 for the momentum to extend towards 26,310 and 26,500 zones, while supports have shifted higher to 26,100 and then 26,000 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 59,500 for the next up move towards a new lifetime high territory of 60,000, then 60,500, while supports can be seen at 59,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Ashok Leyland, Sambandhar Motherson, Coforge, MCX, BSE, ICICI Bank, and Hindalco, while some weakness could be seen in Kaynes Technology, ONGC, Marico, Godrej CP, DLF, and Trent. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.